Hello friends, I am Neshik and today in this video I'll tell you about the best payment gateway for e-commerce websites in India and also show you how to set it up. Now first of all, let me explain you what I mean by the best payment gateway. So in my opinion, a good payment gateway has 5 things in it. First, it is very easy to sign up, register or create a new account with this payment gateway or with this platform. So basically you don't need a new GST or tax information to create an account. You can create an account without GST and without tax information. Second, it is very easy to set up with your e-commerce store. So it is very easy to link this payment gateway with your e-commerce website. Third, it offers many payment options like credit, debit cards, net banking, different payment wallets like PhonePe, MobiKwik, etc. and also different UPI payments like Google Pay, Beam and more. So basically you just have one single platform, one single payment gateway, and it accepts all different types of payments from card, from net banking, from wallets, from UPI payment. All different type of payment is accepted in one single payment gateway. So this is a very important point because this helps you to minimize the number of plugins. Now you don't need 5 different plugins to accept 5 different types of payments. For example, you don't need a plugin for accepting only credit debit cards. You don't need another plugin for accepting only net banking. You don't need another plugin for UPI payment gateways and so on. We have one single payment gateway. We have one single plugin and it accepts all different types of payments. Number 4, it has very minimum failed transactions. So the percentage of or the number of failed transaction is very minimum in this payment gateway. And finally, point number 5, it provides very easy settlements. And this is very important. In fact, I think this is the most important part about any payment gateway. And I'll explain you about these settlements later on in this video. Now, first of all, let me show you a very quick demo what this payment gateway will do for you. So I've created this e-commerce website as you can see over here. I hope you also already have an e-commerce website wherein you want to integrate this payment gateway. Now if you don't already have an e-commerce website, you can do one thing. You can go to YouTube and search for Neshik free e-commerce website and you can watch these tutorials. In these tutorials I have explained you how you can create a free e-commerce website with all the features, with all the product features, order management feature, logistics feature, all the features for absolutely free. So this entire e-commerce website is created using only free resources. Like it is created using only free themes, free plugins and even free page builder. So if you don't already have an e-commerce website, you can watch that tutorial and create one. Now here as you can see, when you add any product in your cart and when you click on checkout, now obviously you will be redirected to the checkout page and this is the option that we want to use. Credit and debit card, net banking, all the different options. Now the customer will select this option, click on place order. They will be redirected to another page and here they can make the payment. Now first of all, you will see this is the total amount they have to pay. Then after that they have some preferred payment methods. So very commonly used payment methods. Then after that we have some more payment methods. For example, we have card and in card also you can see Visa, MasterCard, RuPay, all type of cards are accepted over here. So if you click on card, you can skip saved cards and you can enter the card name, card number, everything and you can make the payment. Or if you want to make payment through UPI or QR code, you can click on this. You can enter your UPI ID or you can show the QR code and you can make the payment. Similarly, if you want to make payment through net banking, you can select this thing, select whichever your bank is and you can pay through net banking as well. And after that, we have some more payment options like we have EMI, we have pay later and so on. So customer can make the payment from here. Now let's go point by point. So the first point that I mentioned was it is very easy to create a new account with this system. So you just have to go to this website razorpay.com and click on sign up. Now you just have to enter your email address and after that click on sign up. If you want, you can also sign up with Google. Both the options are given to you. Now I think there is only 2 things that are required over here to create a new account. One is your PAN card and another one is your bank account. So you must have a bank account and you must have a PAN card. If you don't already have a GST number, that is fine. You can create an account without a GST number and later on after 1 year or whenever you want, you can get a new GST number whenever it is required. But you can just create a new account without a GST certificate. Now once you create an account, you will be redirected to this page. If you are not redirected to this page, just type in this thing dashboard.razorpay.com and you will be redirected to this page, your dashboard page. Now this is the dashboard. As you can see, very simple, very beautiful looking dashboard is given over here and you can also see all the different options like as you can see your payment volume, number of payment done within this month, And after that, saved card payments, all the different options. You can see all the different chart and graphs. You can also see what is the most popular payment option on your website. So most of the payment on this website is done through UPI, then wallet, then card, and then net banking. Then when you scroll down, you can see some more options. For example, if there is any failed transaction, you can click on that transaction and you can see some more details related to this. For example, you can see the email address of that person. You can see that this person was trying to purchase some product on your website, and they were under payment method, they selected PhonePe wallet and they could not make the payment. So you have the order ID and everything. You can go to your website, check in this order ID, and after that you also have your customer's email address and phone number. So you can now contact them and do whatever you want. Like you can contact them and tell them to place an order again. Now you can also see settlements that are done. So here, as you can see, 3 days ago, 5 days ago, these amounts were sent from Razorpay to your bank account. So this is what a settlement is. Now, this is not my account. This is one of my client's account or friend's account. I'm just showing you that this is how all these things work. Now here you can see you have the my account option, and here if I show you under KYC form, I'll have to hide all this information. Under KYC, only these things are required. Your account info, business overview. So under business type, if you don't already have a GST number, select not registered, or if you have a GST number, you can type in registered, sole proprietor, or whatever it is. Then you can enter your business detail, under which you just have to enter your PAN card number. You can enter your bank account number and some document related to your address proof. So it can be your Aadhaar card or your electricity bill, anything that has your address on it. So only these things are required for KYC form. Again, let me come back to the dashboard. Now let me show you how you can integrate this payment gateway with your WordPress website. So I've already shown you that this is how it works. Now to integrate this payment gateway with your WordPress website, you have to go to your dashboard, and here from the left hand side, click on plugins. We have to install a new plugin for this. Now I already have this plugin, so I'll do one thing. I'll delete this and I'll show you again. So it is over here, Razorpay for WooCommerce. I'll deactivate and delete this plugin. Now let me show you from beginning. So to add a new plugin, you have to click on this button, add new button. Now under search plugins, search for Razorpay. Now there are many different plugins for this. Make sure you select this one, Razorpay for WooCommerce, and this is by Team Razorpay. So this is the official plugin. Make sure you don't download any other plugin that could compromise your security of your website. So make sure this is by Team Razorpay. Plugin name is Razorpay for WooCommerce. Install this plugin. Now once it is successfully installed, just click on this activate button. Now once it is activated, you can now do one thing, hover over WooCommerce and click on settings. Now click on payments, and here you will see a new option will be added for you, and which is over here at the bottom, Razorpay. Make sure you have enabled this thing. So click on this, make sure you enable this thing. Once you enable it, click on manage. Now here you can scroll down, make sure first of all this is enabled. So this module is enabled, so make sure this thing is tick mark. Now when you scroll down, you have to enter your key ID and key secret. These two are the only things required to start for this plugin to start working on your website. And to get this thing, again come back to your Razorpay dashboard, click on settings from the left hand side, click on API keys. Now first of all, first time when you come to this website, you will get a new option, generate new API key. Once you click on that, you will get your key ID, which is over here. Copy it, paste in under key ID, and after that you'll also get, make sure when you paste in this thing, no extra spacing and everything is given. And after that you'll also get your key secret. So also copy that thing, paste it over here. And with that, you'll also get a button to download these keys. So make sure you download these keys, very important. So as you can see over here, this is how that file will look like. So when you download that key file, this is how it will look like. I've changed the key secret and all, but this is basically how it looks like. Now you can copy the key secret and paste it over here. Again, I'll have to hide this thing. Now once you paste in this thing, go ahead at the bottom and click on save changes. Alright guys, now you can start accepting credit and debit card payments on your website. So again, if you come back to your website, refresh it. We already have one product in our cart, so we can go to our cart page. And this is your cart page. You can now click on proceed to checkout, and you will now get this new option, credit, debit card, net banking by Razorpay. If you click on place order, you can now see this will work absolutely fine for you. And now you can have all these options. All right. So this is how it works. Then after that, what happens? Again, let me first come back to the dashboard. So when you come back to your dashboard, make sure first to complete the KYC, which I showed you earlier. You have to enter your PAN card, you have to enter your bank account details and some address details. And after that, once your KYC is accepted, you will start receiving payment on your bank account. And you can see the current balance is around 4,000 rupees, and from this 750 rupees will be settled on 28th December, which is tomorrow. And if you click on know more, you can read more about these options as well. And if you want to see previous settlements, you can scroll down, you can click on settlements. You can see 3 days ago 1200 was transferred into your bank account, 5 days ago 2100, 6 days ago 1800, and so on. So this is how this thing works. Now, I've used many different payment gateways, but this is the one that I like the most. I've used CC Avenue as well, but that was really bad, especially in terms of settlements. My money or my client's money is still stuck with CC Avenue, and I'm not able to get that money from there. So the process is pretty tough on that option, but here the process is pretty simple. Everything happens automatically. And if you have any other payment gateway that you think is really good, if you have personally used them, please let me know in the comment section below. Alright guys, so this was a very short video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any doubts, any comments, any suggestions for me, you can always leave them in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, if you want to watch more videos like this, make sure you guys subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any future notifications. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video. And if you know anybody or any friends who could use this video, who could find this video helpful, please share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, whatever social media platform you use. And finally, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.